How to turn on extended hours in Tradingview. So if you want to go ahead and do this, it's going to depend in your broker or whichever chart you're going for. You should be able to see this option directly here in your settings, and for your symbols, you'll get an option to switch into maybe extended hours, but depending on you. But you should be able to do the same thing over here in the top left corner where you add a custom interval, or choose a interval over here and make sure it's anything below the day. So maybe you want it as minutes, but since you wanted extended hours, go for the hours here. So 1 to 4 hours, or again, you could just add the custom interval. So you can set it as hours, and maybe you want it and 2 intervals. Oops, that already exists. 10. That's not 10 hours. Then just go ahead and press on add. But we're using a basic plan, so I don't think we can do that. But you can use the available options though, and that pretty much just gives you the same effect. Again, you can do it here in the settings if it's available for you, but if it's not, then unfortunately you can only do this option. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.